We gonna get it? We gonna get it? Yeah, woo! Oh yeah, look at that. Perfect timing. Got right back just to see the TP hit. Let's see. Oh, still got the stream starting on the vertical stream there. So I did get a little scalp in there long. I had 2 contracts originally, but one got stopped out on a pullback, on that little pullback right there. So one got 866.75, which is a couple points after my entry, and then this one 895. So I locked in $80 on that trade, right? 64.94. Yeah, so I had $20 profit already, so $30 or $60 in that trade. So nice. Good evening. Hey, Kyle Shees, how's it going? Miss K, Ryan Entourage in the house. FN Trades already shut down the computer. I saw this comment earlier. I had to make a comment to it. I was like, good for you, brother. 10 counts, $300, $3,000 on the day. And he's done. Done for the day. Hey, Jonathan Stonks. Good evening. How you doing? I see you got a comment there in the vertical stream. Hopefully you had a very successful day today. I do have to adjust the audio here on the vertical stream. I got the sound of the music coming through also, and it's like, so I'm hearing overlapping music here. Good start to the stream so far. Looks like we got 15 people. Hopefully you guys caught the W on the live there. I just saw this trade setting up here, so I took it right before the stream started. I got myself a little tea, little red rose tea for the night, and now we're ready to go. So I do need to go and link the streams, link the main stream to the vertical stream. Raphael, hey, how you doing? Drew 69 Malibu in the house. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Pin that message. Then I got to grab the Discord link. Find server, copy. Get into the full size stream and post that guy. Okay, here we go. We're set. Switch up these tunes here. So what's the next trade we're going to be looking for tonight, guys? I bought the recovery to the VWAP. Now, what I'd like us to see is, now that we're above the VWAP, I would like to get us a bit of a closure above the POC. So what we can do is we can look for something like this. sort of targeting the highs of these from the New York session, maybe value area high. No, let's not be greedy though. 30K. We'll put our stop sort of below the PLC. So what we're going to need is an inversion of this 5-minute bearish fair value gap. Does my mic sound a little weird or what? Hey, Brick, how you doing? Oh, it sounds like my mic sounds a little weird, I think. Maybe I just got to move it closer to my face. That seems better. Sounds fine. Okay, good. Very nice. Okay. Some streamers use mics that are covered in fluff, like a Yo Jim fluff. This one's has a little bit of fluff on it. It's very soft. Gotta have a very close. Sounds better. No, I don't. Maybe it's somebody I should reach out to though. Hey, my funded futures. But guys, I don't know if you know, but Top One Futures has pretty crazy accounts right now. So the Elite Daily account here, no activation fee, 50% off. The 50K has a 40% consistency on the challenge, so you can't just get through it in one day. But they have daily payouts. You can copy trade up to 5 accounts and $109. So this is like kind of the match of Lucid Flex account here, except for you can get daily payouts with these guys, which is pretty crazy. Elite Daily, $109, 50K account, 3,000 profit, 2,000 max loss, end of day drawdown, no consistency on the funded. So check these guys out if you guys are looking for new accounts. These ones are pretty killer. A little bit better price than currently right now. Actually, you can get the Lucid Pros, which are pretty good. Except for you have to take funded rules are 3 days to pay out. So it's not daily payouts, but still pretty damn good. What are my total earnings? My total earnings, like as in how much I spent versus how much I made. I've got about 4,300 in payouts, but overall, I'm not necessarily a profitable trader yet. Put it that way. Trying to get there, but the amount of money that I've put out doesn't make up for what I've spent, because I pay monthly for Bookmap, and I pay for streams plus evals and everything. So hopefully this year is going to be the year where I sort of tip the scale in the opposite direction. But here's my current month so far. This is my book. This is TradeZella. This is all funded accounts. So I'm up about 3,300 so far on the month. Pretty decent. Had a bit of a rough start to the month on the first. Took a fairly large losing day there, but bounced back right away. Made $1,000, and then another $1,000 day, but mostly $200 to $500 days kind of idea. All right, let's see if we can't get an inversion on this bearish fair value gap here. That'd be sweet. We can look to target the highs here. So I just noticed that I could probably actually take a payout from my Lucid Pro account, because I have 1,500 in profit in there. So I thought, and it said when I looked at this guy right here, the Pro, when you go to the 50K in the funded rule, payout profit target's only $500. But the thing is, if I take a payout now, that's only going to leave me with about 1,000 drawdown. So I really need to get it $1,000 higher from where it is right now. Because if I were to take a payout now, it's going to lock it to 50,100 as the loss limit, and then that'll only leave me about 1,000 drawdown, which isn't very good. So I'm gonna have to be patient on that. But I just noticed that on here, the Lucid payout rules is that profit target's $500. So you might actually, yeah. Zero PhD, hey, Mac Gouda, hey, what's up, bro? I don't think I recognize your name. Tim Core in the house, hey, how you doing? You started the end of February, definitely has some ups and downs in the starts. Nice, Nat. Yeah, I started about a year now, so I've been trading futures since about February of 2025, so a little over a year. Started trading live on YouTube about 10 months ago. I think it was August of last year when I started on YouTube. So the channel's growing, the channel's growing. My trading skills are getting better, slow and steady. I passed a number of evals. I just haven't had a ton of payouts yet. So that's what I'm working on right now. I have a bunch of funded accounts that I'm grinding up. But as we all know, it's not easy. It's not easy, and I'm not trying to claim to be the best trader, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. Is it funded? Where's the Trader Pro view details?
Patience always brings us home. Everybody sing. Price comes back like a boomerang. Let the candle swing. Don't go broke. Taking profits. That's our thing.
Okay, so you still have to get above the buffer. Never mind. So you still need to make 2,100 plus 500 is the first target after that. So you need 2,600 in the Lucid Pro. That's what I thought originally, but when I read that on here, when I was like, oh, payout target $500. So that's the buffer plus 500. So I have the consistency is good. I just need to make about 1,000 more, and then I could withdraw 500 from that account. Slow and steady, slow and steady. Here we go. If I claim to be the worst trader, is it bragging? Right? No, I'm not. It turns out I'm not, Keith. I thought by what I was reading there, I was like, thought I misunderstood the rules. But yeah, so you got to get to the buffer, which is 2100, and I have I'm up 1474 in that account. So I need about 1,126, and then I qualify for $500 withdrawal. Boast in your weakness. Did I miss anything? We going short tonight? It's what I'm feeling. I'm usually not right. I think we're at a pretty turning point right here, Ryan. My kind of idea here is if we can get an inversion of this fair value gap, which looks like we're getting a bit of a pop right now. If we get an inversion of this fair value gap, I'll be looking for a retracement into this fair value gap and then sort of targeting towards these highs somewhere. I'm going to get these other accounts logged in.
Trade like adult space heads, one trade at a time. Market butcher, pocket butcher.
So it looks like we might end up getting this inversion here. If we can get a closure above the top of this here, this 931 area, I'll be looking for a retracement into this, possibly even a little bit lower, because we do have the point of control, assuming that point of control can be our support, because typically above the VWAP, above the previous day's point of control is a pretty bullish sign. So if we can invert this 5-minute bearish fair value gap from over here, then I'll be looking to get along on the retest in that fair value gap. So what happened? Oh, please, Kaushi's at least 3 months. The last 3 months have wrecked me. I win. Sorry to hear that. Got to keep always, whenever you guys feel like you're getting wrecked, just size down until you can build your confidence back. Right? Mac Gouda. Is that like a type of cannabis or something? Yeah, I do. I actually have Spaceman BTC on my indicator list right here. It's kind of like the 4-hour high, low, midweek, right? It's a good one. It's a good one. I just haven't been using it. I just use my value areas, my VWAPs and fair value gaps for my trades. But yeah, Spaceman BTC is a decent indicator. I have it on my chart. I just haven't been using it for a long time here. Sometimes I'll just turn it on when I'm curious to see where we are in regards to a 4-minute chart or 4-hour chart, but I don't really keep it on that often. So the reason I'm bullish too here, guys, is because we have this fair value gap on the 4-hour, right? It was a bearish fair value gap, and as you can see here, we've inverted it basically on this candle right here, which was right at the end of the close. Today's session? No, pre-market. And then we've held it now on 3 candles in a row. So that's why I'm thinking we're going to be printing another bullish 4-hour candle here sooner than later kind of idea. Because once we inverted this, we went and dipped back into it, and now we're looking pretty strong. So speaking of 4-hour stuff, oh, did we get it? We didn't quite get the inversion there though, but damn it. I think it's pretty close. Pretty close. It's disappeared now because this next candle. Not 957, 950s here. Might get a little bit of resistance. Maybe we'll get a push up to the 50s. We'll get a little bit of a pullback into this inverted fair value gap, or once it's inverted, because currently it's not. But we'll have to see. Hey, Angia, how are you doing? Yeah, I'm in BC. I'm in Mission. So I'm about like 1 hour outside of Vancouver, British Columbia. Are you also in BC? Sahel? Hey, Wilson, how you doing? Good to see you. You're in on a long, but how high do you think this will go? As long as we continue to invert this fair value gap, I would be targeting up in the highs here, the 82 area, to maybe a little bit less than that, maybe 75, 80 area. We might continue higher than that, but not necessarily financial advice, because I'm not really supposed to do that. But if I were, I would just be careful, because we do have this channel here. This could end up turning into a wick. Like I said, I'm looking for an entry on a pullback into this fair value gap. So I need a candle closure above the 30 area, and then I'll be looking to get along on a pullback. So just be careful, because we might, this could end up just wicking back down and pulling back into this fair value gap and or into the point of control. But overall, I'm bullish too. Now, exactly how high it's going to go, can't really say. But I would say, this is a pretty decent target. These highs over here, but just don't try to take it all the way to the top. Maybe start, if you're a little conservative, probably want to take those maybe even below the 80s, 79, 75 area. I think that's a reasonable target, because we kind of have a double top or a triple top maybe on the 15-minute right up there at the 88s. So this is it is kind of doing what I thought it was going to possibly do here, because this is we do have some resistance forming in this bullish flag pattern here. So let's clone this guy up. This is this is a downtrending channel, which more often than not is a bullish channel. So we're going to end up breaking out to the top side. Now, whether or not this is going to be the moment that we break out, it's hard to say. We're above the VWAP. That's why I'm waiting for this inversion on this fair value gap for potential entry. The nice thing I like about this push is we are leaving fair value gaps on the way up. So that's pretty good sign. So we did close it. We did get our inversion there. So now I'm going to be looking for a retest into this fair value gap area for a long. So let's just say if I'm going to go here, we're going to put our stop below there. So we got a 64 TP with a 37 stop loss. I got my order set up here. Let's see if we're gonna get it. We need a pullback though, so I mean, we might not get the pullback, unfortunately, but we'll have to see. Let's let this play out a bit here. We do have these orders up at 50. So as you guys know, sometimes we'll get right up to these orders. We get a pullback, sort of like we did there. Look at that, 15 points almost to the tick. So 40, 35. That wouldn't quite get me an entry, but Maybe we're just going to continue higher here. Maybe. Hey, you're welcome, Makuda. Well, that was fun. I went long to my TP was hit. Nice job, Tim. Good job. I'm doing well, thank you. I had an NQ open now up 2K. Wow, nice trade, Wilson. Damn. Monica, you're from the Okanagan. Oh my God. I think I would love to live out in the Okanagan. I want to move there maybe one day. So, oh, Sahil, you're in Port Moody. Moving to Coquitlam soon. Nice. We're like almost neighbors. You know, I travel out to Burnaby and Coquitlam area to play pickleball all the time. So if you haven't already, Sahil, join the Discord. There's a pinned comment there in the chat. Join the Discord because we do hold the occasional like trader meetup thing. So we did one in December, and we're overdue to do another one. So definitely pop into the Discord and join that, and then keep an eye out, and we can have we'll be doing hopefully a trader meetup one time soon. I want to live somewhere that people use a the at the front of. What is it, like the something? The Okanagan? Oh, like, is that what I said? The Okanagan? It's like the only desert in Canada. Yeah. I think it's like the only desert in Canada. So it's interesting, British Columbia. We have rainforests and desert and mountains and ocean all like within an hour drive or a couple hour drive. So it's pretty crazy. The Bronx, the Ozarks. Do you ride bicycles? Ever been to the Burnaby Velodrome? I haven't been to the Velodrome, no, but I do ride bicycles, and I have a motorcycle. Of course you can, Mac. Of course, everyone's welcome. It's a pinned comment in the chat there. Just head over there. We also have a giveaway, guys. So we do, because I'm not the most well-known streamer, I only get a few accounts per month to give away. So basically, I run a giveaway every Sunday, and it's for a 25K Lucid Flex eval. So if you head over to the Discord, there is a giveaway channel. Go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of that. There's a pinned comment in the top of the giveaway channel with a form. Fill that form out, and then you'll be entered into the next Sunday giveaway. You do have to be in the stream when we do the giveaway to be able to claim your reward, but you could head over there and sign up and get a chance to win it. So was that the retest here? Looks like we're gonna go straight to the TP, guys. Looks like we're going straight to the TP. Maybe not. We dipped into the 50s, 950s there, and got a little bit of a pullback now. Dave has an ADV or maybe an Enduro. What bike do you have? I ride a YZF R6 Yamaha. You could save yourself some trouble and give the accounts directly to me. Oh, yeah. That's not a bad idea, Big Teflon. Well, you guys do get the accounts. It's just randomly decided. I would hate for you guys to be like, rigged. It's rigged. Rigged. I feel like we got to get this pullback for this trade to work. So I'd be risking 150 to make 250 there. But if we were to get a candle closure below the PLC, I'd probably get out of this trade anyways, a little bit ahead of time. But I'm going to need a pullback here. Maybe asking for this inverted fair value gap is not the right idea at this point anymore, because we're getting so bullish here. But what can I do? What can I do? Hey, Topple Fiddle's in the house. How you doing? Good evening. Good evening. We got 4 people in the vertical stream. Welcome, everybody. If you guys want to come on over and join us on the main stream, there is a pinned comment in the vertical stream. In the comment section, hit that link. Over here, we have the book map, trading view. If I take any trades, you'll be able to see it live. Yeah. But if you want to just watch the book map, you're definitely welcome to stay in the vertical stream also. Your tarantula Bob says hi, waving with all 8 hands. You really have a tarantula called Bob or what? That's awesome. Yeah, I'd like to meet you too, Wilson. Where do you live, Wilson? You've been to Niagara Falls. Nice. I haven't been to Niagara Falls yet. Hey, Clee's in the house. What's up? How are you doing today? I'm assuming you're doing good, as usual. She's always good. Some days GF. Oh, you're in Singapore. Damn. Singapore is amazing. I'd love to go there too one day. I'll let you know. I've been to China, but that's about as close to Singapore as I've been. It was a gag gift someone gave me for my girlfriend, and now I'm a spider dad. Oh, really? Good to hear. Good to hear. Snowflake? The Snowflake? Yo, Jim? What's up with that pic, Clee? You live there? Looks fancy? What is this one? Is this oh yeah, that's probably off her patio at night. Oh, it's a spider web. Okay. Gotcha. Well, it looks like I'm not going to get this trade here, guys. I don't know.
Another stop loss.
That's from your terrace from a couple nights ago. Wow. You're so lucky. What a view. I'm waiting for the pullback to 925. Well, that's kind of where I'm targeting here. I got my order at 921. NQ's reaching highs now. Yeah, this is a key area here if we're going to break above this. Because this is kind of like Asia's high, right? So far, these two candle wicks up here. Sort of in this area. But we're pretty bullish. Pretty bullish. You're in a short from 951. I hope hopefully you don't get burned. Yeah. It's hard for me to be bearish at the moment just because, like I said earlier, we're above the VWAP. We're above the point of control. We have a bunch of orders up there at 30,000. We have a bunch of orders coming on above 990, 980, 970. But, you know, you never know. I was really hoping for a pullback, but I don't know that we're going to get it here. I mean, if we're going to, this is going to be the area. This is a pretty key area here, though. So I mean, this is kind of the area, if we're going to get a pullback, that we'll get it. So you might be able to, you know, at least capture something, you know, a pullback down to the 34 area at a minimum. So we'll see, though. We'll see. It's been pretty bullish. It's been doing nothing but going mostly straight up here. So Ralph's doing really good, actually. Thanks for asking, Tim. I've been working really hard on getting his skin issue dealt with, and it's looking pretty good. He's kind of it's mostly gone, his skin issues, so I'm pretty happy about that. It's been a grind. Twice a day I'm basically, it sucks to say it, but I have to like basically I take these little gauze pads with like a medicated soap sort of stuff, and I have to like clean his wounds so much so that like the scabs and the crusty stuff comes off. It's kind of gross, but so I gotta do that. Then I take the medicated spray and I spray it on those little like sort of like hot spots, but it's a bacterial infection, and it's been really good. So he looks the best he's looked in quite a while, so I'm excited. I feel like I'm about 2 weeks away to maybe completely beating his skin issue, so I'm pretty excited about that. Clee, you're telling me we've been thinking about jumping ship, maybe out east? You're thinking about moving, Ryan, to the eastern United States, I guess?
Another stop loss. Another lesson. Another chart.
Nice. Because you're in California, right? You said? So is your only gym now in Florida, Clee? We might end up getting this pullback now. Oh yeah, Southern Cali. It's so expensive there, right? Yeah, here's my pullback. We need to get a deeper pullback though. Please back in the money. It's just whether or not this is going to be a continued pullback, or is it just going to be a temporary one.
Broken trend line. FEG.
It's all relative. It's cheaper to go to the beach here than if I lived in Oklahoma. Yeah. You had one in Cali, two in Boca. I sold the one in Cali to diversify and will open a waxing studio or two. Nice. That sounds like a good idea. So just so you guys know, I don't have it on the chart right here, but I did join in on a short temporarily, looking for this pullback down to the 30s here. I sold two contracts up there at 60. I have two at 45. I'm just trading on the side here, waiting for the pullback here. I'm probably looking to get out around the 34 area on those four contracts and go from there. Maybe 37 area. My long is targeting from 922. No, I like the idea that we're gonna get resistance here. We're gonna pull back, retest this breakout area, and then go higher from there. So that's kind of why I got into the short. Currently up about $84-85 in that account, so probably gonna close it pretty soon. I just want to lock in the profits, but let's see. We do have those orders down there at 28. You're in SoCal also? Southern Cali? How do I check the orders? Well, this is on the left-hand side here. This is the book map. So this is where all the contracts are showing on the book map. That's how I can see where the orders are. It's a paid subscription thing. You got to pay about $40 just for the platform, and then about $75 for the data that I use. Your wife is feeling much better. Found out it was a nasty virus she caught. Found out a few people in town had it. Oh, well, good to hear that she's feeling better. You think we can see 909 tonight? Back down to the previous day's POC? All right. All right. Well, if we get back into this channel, I could definitely see us going to retest the POC. That's why if I do take this long, I got my stop below the POC. If we get candle closures below the POC, I'll be looking to exit the long. But on the short trade, we'll have to see how this plays out. You think high risk reward pullback is 15-minute 29,800? 29,800, eh? Way down there. I think if we can get through the bottom here, this 40s, I might add one more contract to it and then maybe consider scaling out around the 30s there, because we do have this bullish fair value gap, which I think we might end up finding a bounce on. We'll have to see. Ryan, I'm about an hour from you in La Jolla. I think that's where my sister lives. My sister lives in La Jolla with her husband and my nephew. They actually just bought an apartment down there. I think they just got approved for it. So yeah, I got a short in a different account here. I went short up here at 60s. I added 2 more at 44. So my average price is 953. I got 4 contracts right now. Just looking for the pullback here. If we start breaking the highs here, I'll probably be cutting this trade, take a little loser on it. But my main idea here, which is this pullback to that inverted fair value gap for the long.
Slow stack, no tilt, one micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride. East session high while the chat this side. Boner candle print and the bears all hide. Market, but you can't keep the dream alive. Oil slippery, don't let it slide. Mustang trader got the levels all aligned. FEG flip and the FEG shine. Base hits only one trade at a time. F and trades asking Asia or
35, 30.
Do ETFs buy? Then NQ sneeze right after mentioning it live. Everybody laughing while the candles fly. I like holiday snooze fest, maybe then like L. Bar stream joke going crazy. Don't forget your social number joke. Mother's maiden name, whole chat broke. Gary say Asia, hard to trust. One micro feels too much, real trader stuff. Coca-Cola like Warren Buffett plays. Slow compounding while the futures rage. Can't influence yelling ace pump in chat. Good try XD, well managed. Imagine that, lone wolf blue say oil, dumping fast. Meanwhile Chris Spy at TH tomorrow blast. NQ is dirty, 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 dirty,
Dirty. Skill tour, hey. It's nice, but not a lot of people I have in common with in my condo or area. A lot of biotechs and such. Gotcha. Now the terrace makes sense in La Jolla. My kid loves going to the beach down there. Nice.
Pre-market and wire, Globex all the way. Discord loaded milestones in sight. Use code MBT every single night. Top 1 Lucid, funded dreams alive.
Sunny Pell bouncing on the 15-minute fair value gap. Oh, we have a 15-minute there. Well, I could see us getting in at least to the 29.30s here, this fair value gap. But I see what you're saying there. It's kind of like what I'm targeting anyways. Kind of want to get out around the 30, 35 areas here. So I'm going to put 2 contracts to take it out at 34, 2 at 27, and 1 at 21.
Trade like adults. Protect the evil. Respect the stop. And remember,
did my chat message even show up a few hours ago? I said, yes, it did. I responded to it. It said, you said you made $300 in 10 accounts, or you're up $3,000, you're done for the night. And I said, with a bunch of fire emojis. Great job, though, FN Trades. Awesome to hear. Micros. I only trade micros, Marty. I did add 1 micro there, guys. So here's the trade that I got going on my other chart there. So I am looking to take a couple contracts off here. You know, I can actually give it a little bit more space here. Jay, what's up? You're back from vacation. What's for dinner? I have some pasta tonight. I haven't made it yet, or it's ready to go. It's just down there. I gotta warm it up. Lady C in the house. Lady C, aka Lyric Lady Sika. What up? Guess who's back? I missed your streams. I haven't been able to stay up late for a couple weeks now. Been teaching early morning music art integrated summer camps for kids. Oh, that's so awesome. That sounds very rewarding. Let's see if we're gonna get a couple contracts off here. Come on, hit it. Hit it. So we have these orders down here at 926. You just made spaghetti? Nice. Great minds think. Yes, they do. They do. Seems like we're on the same page, buddy. Yeah, once I get out of this trade, I might head down and load up a bowl and warm it up. So it is. You love your students? Of course you do. I could definitely see you loving your students. If you guys don't know, Lady C, aka Lyric, is a crazy lyricist. I've scoped out her channel. I'm a subscriber. She's got some pretty amazing music, so you guys should check it out. Just search her on YouTube there. She was like, I saw that you were hosted on a like a radio station. It's pretty cool stuff. Seemed like a radio station or something, right? Or maybe it's just another independent radio type person. All right, Tim, you have a great night too. Glad to hear your wife's doing well. Putting your stop and profit, let it ride. Should I do that too? Is that what you're saying? Come on, let's get me out here. I might actually just take off the 4 right here, and then I'll leave the 1. I'll leave the 1. Leave the 1. Oh, look at this. You're right, Clee. You're right. You were right. I shouldn't have taken those off. Okay, I'm leaving this on. Oh, geez. Am I entered over here? No, not quite. Okay, well, I'll leave that guy on with the runner here. That's in my top 1 futures account. This is a Lucid trading here. This is my Lucid accounts. Let's see if I'm going to get this. So this is a retest back into the fair value gap. Let's see if we're going to get our entry or not here. Well, I mean, I agreed. I'm looking for the pullback too. So I just shouldn't have taken it all off just yet. Jay Cletor is totally random and out of the blue, but are you single by chance? There you go. Jay's on to you. Or are you trying to play matchmaker, Jay?
Coffee hot. Bona candles loaded. Mustang trade in the pre-market. Market butcher on the mic. Oil slippery.
Too busy for a boyfriend? Don't say that. You're ruining my dreams. It's been good so far, FN Trades. I'm up 185 right now in this top 1 futures, 150K account. And I locked in $60, $80 in an eval, so not bad tonight. Matchmaker? How did you know I'm single or something, Jay? Now I'm a little worried about this trade, so I'm almost thinking I need to go with 1 contract instead of 2 just to be on the safe side.
it while resistance dies. Small size, big dream, slow stack, no tilt. One micro today can become a house built. Mr. Move fine, don't chase the thrill, cause revenge trades got a bigger bill. MNQ dirty, but I love it, let it ride.
Let's go down to one micro. You're too straight for a boyfriend? Kyle? Yeah. Is that it? Is that the pullback into the inverted fair value gap that we're going to get, and that's it? I'm putting my stop. Here's this other trade still. I got this one micro left. I put my stop just a little bit above this current wick of this new candle forming here, right at the 35s. Gonna just trail it down as we keep going lower here. Looking like I might get an entry here. You started using Bookmap recently for precise entries. My profitability has increased. Nice. You hit your TP on the short, now waiting for the long. Nice, Makuda. What's a big red ball in the Bookmap? Okay, so these I've set the Bookmap to only normally there's a bunch of like green and red balls that are going to show up, but what I've done is I've customized the balls to show only large orders that go through. Anything above, I think it's about 50 contracts. Yeah, so this one's a 55 contracts were sold at this level. So it's just kind of like telling you where bigger buyers and sellers get in. So whether or not, you know, so this was a sell volume ball. So if this thing bounces here, they're going to try to trap this buyer, right? Or this seller. Hey, thanks, Donnie. Good job. I'm sure you do a good job with your balls too. Another one shows market, but you gang just stick to the flows. Oil slippery, gold heavy, neck gas explosive. If you ain't ready, Mustang trader, market, but your crew. Base hits forever, that's what we do. Trade like adults, protect the evil. You know what? Okay, I got the order filled. I got the order filled there. I'm gonna trail down my short trade in the other account. If the candle stands straight up with no pullback, it might be a Boner Campbell. I got my stop at 929 now in the short trade. This is not updated here. Huh? Okay, so I guess only the one account was affected with that move there. I'm silly me. So I'm in all three accounts now on this long. You're gonna need if this fair value gaps gets inverted though, I'll be looking to exit this trade. So if we get a candle closure below 917, I'll be getting out of this trade. And I do have my stop there at 929 on that short trade, which I'm going to take it, guys. I locked in. I'm out of that trade in the short now, so I locked in $190 in that trade. Now let's just focus on this guy right here. Starting to get a bit of a bounce out of this fair value gap. So yes, Monica, I am long right now. I am long right now. We're reversing here according to your quant analysis. What's quantitative analysis? Did you mean to say quant? So guys, I think because these are my funded accounts, I'm going to be careful with these guys. So I'm going to go. Oh, I'm going to give it a sec here, but I do want to go break even. Don't pull back right now. Come on. I've been making and saving way more money without a girlfriend. I can work OT and weekends a lot. Prenup. FN trades. Prenup. We just need a nice strong candle closure here would be nice. Come on, let's get a closure above the 930s here. That would give me enough space, hopefully, to go break even on this trade. B-Devil, I just had the same thought as you and exited my short. Well, I mean, I better exit my short if I'm looking to get long here at this level too, right? But maybe we're not gonna find support here. We'll see. We'll see. NQ's dirty, guys. You never know. Down, down, down. My HOAs are due. This guy definitely Canadian. Why? Because did I say a couple too many times? You're bang on, bro. I'm definitely Canadian. Maybe it's because I say bro and a. So we still have the contracts there at 30,000, 153 contracts above. But this is going to be a pretty key level here. If we're going to hold this and bounce or not, I don't know. We're going to have to see. I am tempted to go break even here just because I just don't really want to take an L. So which one is this? FF 4004. $20. Average price 20. This one has average price 22. Hey, Lone Wolf, congrats on that job today. By the way, everybody, W's in the chat for Lone Wolf. He passed a 25K. Is it a flex? 25K eval today, I think. Trading silver of all contracts, guys. It's pretty savage. I think Jay wants to know your IP address. Yes, I am in Vancouver. Yes, I am. Well, close to Vancouver. I'm in Mission, which is about 1 hour outside of Vancouver. There you go. W's in the chats for Mr. Lone Wolf in the house. Now I'm super excited for him to get to his payout, which would be amazing. Yeah, he's still trading silver. He's got the read on it. Oh, $130 with MNQ. Oh, you're scared to finish it with silver? Oh, that's smart though. What's my address and birth date? Are you asking that for me or are you asking somebody else? Address, birth date, IP address. Do you think we'll continue down? I hope not. I'm in a long, not Arabs. And your first pet's name. Yeah, so you can know my passwords, right? Mother's maiden name? Yeah. Lone Wolf's in Washington State. We will just create a form to make it easy for you. Okay. Yeah, that sounds good. Hey, no Tarabs. If you want to join us in the mainstream, there's a pinned comment there in the chat. You're in the vertical stream. You can only see the book map. If you come over to the other stream, you can see the trade that I'm in. We got actually 124 people watching right now, guys, and 3 people in X. We're in this long trade here, starting to head lower. Maybe maybe we're gonna have to cut this guy. We do have some orders down here at 912 and a little bit at 900, so maybe they're gonna have to take out these orders at the 912 first before we end up going higher here. So is this building some liquidity to go low? It could be. I don't really like the fact that we haven't made a new high yet, but like I said, if I get a closure below 916, I'll be looking to get out of this trade. So 916 is a 5-minute bullish fair value gap that we're in. So if we get a closure below that, that's no bueno for the longs, I think. So Chris is here. Better to take a good trade, or better to miss a good trade than to enter a bad one. Definitely won't be in the morning, running off a 3-hour sleep. Oh, yeah. I don't blame you. You should get some sleep. Get some sleep. The orders did come off there at 912, guys. So maybe they put the orders into the market now. Almost only 4.5 hours from me. Nice. Yeah, I'm pretty close to the border. I'm like 25 minutes from the Sumas border crossing. I gotta refill some hot water on my tea. It's cold already. What the heck?
Coming out. While the world got entries on the 1466 and the trade is on. Big Deflon says that VG's a fake. Them price fills one and everybody breaks. Jane Bond asking where the course is at. Then screaming, hit the light in chat.
Clee, the way that the Canadian government is dealing with Canada right now, I kind of wish I was in the States, to be honest. I love Canada, don't get me wrong. I love Canada. I love being here. I love the country. The people are amazing. Just our current government is just no bueno. Bushi-Juan, the government. No FOMO, only YOLO. There you go, Riz in the house. Riz walking around in his house saying no FOMO, only YOLO. Actually, you lost 15,000 from an Arabic agent who cheated me, so I decided to choose that name. Oh, sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. No Tarabs. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Everyone, government sucks in the UK, US, Canada. Yes. Especially Canada, UK, and Australia. They're just so woke. Woke, go broke. Reds everyday dog training. All governments are crazy. Look at Newsom, governor of California. He's crazy. Yeah. How you doing, Red? I'm doing pretty good. Hoping that this long trade's going to play out here. I probably should have just locked in the profits there. Because now we're looking... Again, we rejected off the top of that channel. Like, ugh. Really? Really, guys? Canada? Or is it called Chungwaran? Big Teflon, are you Chinese, or are you just adding some Chinese text? Because I can't read the characters. But if you are Chinese, that's pretty awesome. 我是大伟，请问你叫什么名字？我开心。Government really went downhill as soon as we stopped fat shaming. You're not Chinese, but you understand it. Canada is run by China.你是美国人吗？不美国人，我是加拿大人。我是加拿大人。J， 你是法国人吗？Randall Paul, that's why my primary address is in Florida and I'm working on moving my business there. Call it Cali is nice, but never mind. The taxes are better in Florida, aren't they? So it's smart as you're there because all your income, all your taxes are way better in Florida. You just got to watch out for the alligators in the lakes, right? No, but everyone that you know that goes to Canada basically calls it Beijing. Well, certain parts of the country is, and the CCP is definitely has their hands all in our government. Like, especially our current prime minister, he's so conflicted by China, all the net zero nonsense. You know, Canada makes something like 0.01% of all emissions in the world. Yet we're still so focused on going to net zero, whereas, you know, like if we were at like I think all of our emissions is like only like 58 minutes of the emissions that come from China. So it's like, why are we wasting all this money trying to go net zero when we're not the problem? It's the other countries. We got to export our natural gas to other countries like China and India to help reduce their emissions. And then that will have some real impact on the world. But who am I? I don't know. You ever consider just shorting top of ranges and long in bottoms? And well, that works until it doesn't, Donnie, right? You could be right now. You could be doing that right now, but you know, at some point it's going to break out and then you're going to end up taking a loss, right? So 100% right, dude. Also, AI will solve it all. Yeah. I'm starting to get worried that this is going to just go lower here, guys, because, well, I guess not. I mean, this could be, we are making higher lows, so we shouldn't give up on this trade just yet. That's 0.1 too much emissions, Butcher. It's devastating. I know, right? Like, you know how much green space and stuff we have? It's like we're actually pretty close to net zero already, so... Cali is observed on vehicle registrations too. My car is registered in Florida. Nice. 25K TPTs are super underrated. Nice. Yeah. I got a 50K TPT account that's funded right now. Do that while you wait. It kills you something with a tight stop, though. You got to leave a little wiggle room, and the more trades you enter, the less favorable your odds become. Yeah. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Looks like we might be heading lower here, guys. Yeah. Kind of have lots of trees and bushes. Yes, we do. They're 1-to-1, 30 micro max is plenty, unlimited income, so much better from the get-go, really. Yeah, if you can get past the buffer, right? If you can get past the buffer, you're good. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely don't need 30 micros. Nice job, Lone Wolf. Yeah, you got to keep it small, keep it tight. $750 a day, twice done. Yeah, that's true. That's true. How low can we go, Masashi? I hope not lower. I hope not lower. I want us to go up here.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, late night futures.
I hear that a lot more trades is less profitable, but I think it's only bad if you trade more because you tilt. Obviously, over time, I want to place as many trades as possible for more profit. Yeah, I mean, if it fits your criteria, right? But depending on your criteria on your trades, right? Because if you're getting a ton of trades, that means that you have a very flexible criteria on your trade style, right? Because you should have to wait in between for a while to get in trades, right? I have a couple 90 work trucks and they're 700 plus a year for registration. Wow. And it's 850 for your E400. Damn. I took 40 micros one time and never again. Commission was like $80. Really? Which firm are you trading with that it's 80 bucks? I know Lucid is only about around $1 a contract. Come on, buyers, hold this fair value gap. Really don't. We're getting close. We got 30 seconds left. We need to hold above 916 here for me to stay confident in this trade. The new truck is only a couple hundred more than the old beaters. That doesn't make sense to me. Yeah. Yeah, it's just like depending on, like, I just don't know, like, you'd have to have a pretty large buffer in your accounts to be wanting to trade minis though, right? Because you're kind of limited on to like how many, you know, how much room you have in your trades if you're trading minis, right? Like, it's so easy to take a, you know, a $2,000 loss on 2 minis, right? So am I a fan of some light gambling, blackjack, roulette? I'm more of a poker player. Like, I haven't really had much success. You know, occasionally I'll go throw 100 or a couple $100 on like a blackjack table here or there, but not very often. I'm more likely to go sit at a poker table for like 4 hours and bank a little bit better there. I feel like when you're playing against other people, you have a better chance of winning than playing against the host. And that's just my opinion, but I like to trade poker in the casinos. Trading one SIL is the same as trading one NQ? Wow, yeah. When it says payout 10K, do you have to make 10K to get the payout? Which accounts are you talking about there, Red? Usually the target is going to be whatever the amount is the target, and then whatever you can take is a little bit different from that. TPT Pro 25K. Oh, 25K is I don't know what's the profit target for the 25K, guys. Isn't it only like 1,500? Or the buffer? Oh, it's 10K at a time. Maximum 10K at a time. TPT Pro is 10K max payout. Gotcha. Anything above your buffer is yours. So anything above 1,500. Yeah. Run, dude. I'm gonna wait for a candle closure below this this fair value gap. You're almost to your target, which was a POC, right? Yeah, I need a candle closure below 916 and then I'll be exiting this trade. Almost 200 SMA on what, the 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 1 minute chart, 29,910. Okay, so if I do the eval, I pass the eval with the 1.5, then I have to make another 1.5 for the buffer, then I can start taking daily payouts. Yes, that's how it works. But keep in mind, Red, that you have like a intraday trailing drawdown in the pro stage until you get past the buffer, right? So let's just say you get up $500 and then you close the trade up only 250, you're gonna actually lose 250 off of your trailing drawdown. So just keep that in mind, that you got to be relatively aggressive and try to close the account near the high of the intraday price. That's on the pro account. Like once you pass the evals don't have it. The evals are no intraday, but until you pass the buffer on the funded stage on the pro account, that's when you have that that buffer you need to pass, right?
Greg says, can I click 5 times? Everybody laughing while the market climbs. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again. Bought the top again, bought the top again, bought the top again.
You'll never do trailing? Yeah, you can do, I would recommend checking out these guys here. No activation fee, elite daily with top 1 futures. They have no consistency on the funded. You can, they can do daily payouts. There is a 40% consistency on the evaluation stage, so you're going to take 3 or 4 days to pass it at a minimum. But these ones are kind of pretty good. Daily payouts, no consistency. I don't know exactly what the max payouts are. I'll get to watch this trade, but damn, we did get a closure there below the fair value gap. So I might, if I get above my entry price, I'm going to go break even on this trade. Hopefully we get a little pop here. Maybe not. Or maybe we got to watch a 15. Did we close below the 15? No, we haven't closed there. We should probably wait another 5 minutes here on this 15 minute. I don't want to get out of that trade and then realize that, oh yeah, well, we have the 15 minute, we never closed. So we're going to wait another 5 minutes for that candle closure. So I might end up taking a loss in this trade because we'll wait for the 15 minutes. So put a couple thousand in a live personal account and start off with 2 micros and build up. Yeah, that's smart. Unfortunately for me, being in Canada, we don't have very many good trading platforms. Like I can't use Tradeovate. We're limited on the accounts. Like you guys have pretty good leverage in the States where you can like put in $1,000 or $2,000 and it's only like $100 of margin per. Yeah, but you need to put in, like I had a small account there which I ended up investing the money, so it's not active right now. But yeah, the margin's expensive. That's what I'm saying. So you got to have like over $2,000 and then you can only trade 1 micro. So if you take a small loss and you get below that $2,000, then you're gonna have to like put more money in, right? So you got to actually put in, maybe like 10K in an IBKR. But I have money in there, but it's just all invested in stuff, and I'm a bit of a bag holder in my IBKR account. So It's 100 for an MNQ and 50 per contract, or ES per contract. Yeah, see, that's nice. We don't have those kinds of deals here. We're not allowed to trade your guys's nice leveraged platforms. Ralph's doing good, Skeletor. Thank you. We've been battling pretty hard on this skin issue, and he's been doing great. So after this trade kind of plays out a bit here, when I get out of it, I'll think about going down. He's on the couch hanging out with my mom right now, so I'll go grab him and we'll bring him on the stream. So let's go. Well, simple as future trading now. Oh, I didn't know that. I did not know that. Check out that 50-minute trend left bottom to right near where we are now. Lots of wicks back there. It's in beta mode. Okay. Come on, Bulls. Let's go. Let's break. We need to break out the top of this channel here if this is going to go. Come on, guys. How can you get this song? All the songs are on the Discord, Rizzy. So head into the Discord. There's an AI channel, and I posted all the songs. You might have to scroll up a bit because a lot of songs have been posted in there, but they're all in the. All the songs are in the AI channel in the Discord. You might want to pick up this one too. NQ's Dirty. Come on, NQ. MNQ. Hey, we got 143 people watching tonight, guys. 136 people in YouTube. We're starting to get a little bit busier these days, although the vertical stream only has 5 people, so it's all good though. That's just kind of like the draw on liquidity. We're trying to draw people in with the vertical stream. You couldn't find the violin songs? Oh, I may not have posted those in there. Let me look into that. I dance like a white guy? You talked to Miss K yesterday. She recommended me a new prop firm. I'm so happy because it allows you to have swing trading. I'm gonna buy 2 accounts. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I need a teacher. Come, let's go dance, Clee. I need some help. Get me out of this white guy dancing moves. Now if they would hit the like button. We got 28 people only on the likes right now. How's that possible? You guys don't like the stream? You're here watching, but you don't like it? Oh, my heart hurts. My heart hurts. Oh, sorry, this side. Oh, we got 42 likes. Never mind. That's pretty good. Kind of reminds me of Elton John with those glasses. You got, what about these ones? Are these ones better? Yeah, everybody's just busy trading right now. That's why I got to bring it up sometimes, right? You just got to say, oh yeah, thanks a lot for the likes, guys. We hit 42 today. I appreciate it. Thank you for the supporting the channel. You guys rock. I love it. These are the best people in the market here. Only on the Market Butcher channel every day, Monday to Friday, including the nights. You like this? You want to hear the Weird Al Yankovic song? Here's the Weird Al Yankovic style song.
My name's Dave. And today I accidentally bought the top. Again. box open, thought my setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle.
I want to hear I shock my dog. What is that? You like the nerdy look, hey, Clee?
5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeated.
Yeah, it's an accordion.
I'm an honest trader, a professional account derailer. I see a breakout candle, then I panic, buy a trailer.
I'm an Amish trader.
My risk
I want to hear I shock my dog. You will like it.
I move my stop 6 times, then blame
Stop loss annihilator. Yeah. I'm an account
Yo Jim
annihilator. A stop loss annihilator.
Misk says
Buying the top.
Angie posts the whole schedule while I'm
We'll put on Baby Metal next, FN.
Kyle says hit the like button. Randy says
I just the only thing that I like about the other ones is they're tinted. These lights are bright. I could always turn them down a little bit, maybe.
value area low. Everybody knows where price should go except me. Frank the Great Pyrenees watches. Ralph the Frenchie.
Well, that's as low as they go. Make another version of NQ being dirty to the weird all white and nerdy song and play it on Riding Dirty.
Even the ducks know when to quit. But somehow I still average down.
Let's see.
While the whole chat's watching it.
I might have to just take you guys' comments from tonight and make a song out of it. So
I turn it
don't feel obligated. I just like it. Never heard an AI rock song.
I'm an honest trader, the drawdown navigator. I could lose money on a trade with
And it's not meant to be racist or anything bad, guys. It's just this is what AI spit out when I said make it Weird Al Yankovic style song.
candle straight to heaven, then it dumps like every single time. The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast.
I love the little like trumpet or something. Bo-do-do.
Poor guy's duck is dead in last. Then 18 seconds left.
It sucks when NQ trades between two gaps. Yeah. Well, we just inverted that guy, which is good. We got some good news there. This isn't a fair value gap. I just put this up here as a potential resistance area from these previous highs. We had these wicks here and here. Your uncle's Amish? I mean, Amish are pretty cool people, I think. They have very unique life skills, for sure. What do you guys think? Should I go break even on this trade for now?
Down, trade like adults, unlike me.
Quack, quack.
Good night, everybody.
So what's our entry? 920, 930, 925, 930. I'll wait for this next candle closure and then I'll think about putting my stop 10 minutes in profit. Does that make you Amish, Clee?
I accidentally bought the
Yes, this is NASDAQ. This is MNQ, micro NASDAQs. What is the blue yellow on the left of the on the right chart? This is our developing point of control or developing volume profile. So this one is called visible range volume profile. So it only shows like whatever candles you have on the chart showing. Like, so what I could do is I could set it to the start of today's session and it'll give you the developing points of control. So currently our point of control is down here at 29,877 and our value area high is up here at 947, value area low down here at 859. So this one just shows where the majority of the volume has been traded. So Matt Gouda, you went break even? Nice. So it's called visible range volume profile. Ryan, Is Ryan taking off? Good night, all. Oh, okay. Good night, Ryan. Catch you Sunday and see you in the Discord until then. Oh, so you're busy until Ryan there, or right till Sunday, Ryan? Have a good one, my brother. Thanks for being such a good wingman. Dave, move your stop loss up. You think I should go break even or what? Because I'm just waiting for this next candle closure, and then I'm gonna go break even. Okay, let's do it. We'll go break even +2 anyways. See how fast that was? Boom! That's the benefits of having the command pad here, this control thing on the right. So I'm copy trading 3 Lucid accounts right now, 2 Flex funded accounts, and 1 Pro funded account. And this little control pad here is how I can control the trade. So at the click of one button there, it erased all my other orders and put the stop to break even. Slightly ghosty, you lost 2 accounts today? Damn, sorry, bro. I'm sorry to see that. Yeah, we have 150 people watching tonight, guys. What the heck? What's going on, guys? Okay, visible range volume profile. Thanks. What is the audio? What is the audio cleanup looking sonar chart on the left? Oh, that's the book map. So that's a paid subscription software program that shows where all the orders are on the chart, right? So as you can see, there's 30,000 up here. We have 157 contracts. That's kind of where I'm hoping this trade is going to go. But hopefully we don't get stopped out here on a pullback. I only have 1 micro. Wishing I had 2. I kind of should have had 2 in there, but what can you do? Like the stream, you CUCKS. Romeo. 145 people in the stream, and I think we got all of a sudden we had 71 likes. So we're at like 50% of the viewers hit the like button. That's pretty good. I'd be pretty happy about that.
Good night, everybody.
Hey Dave, just swung by to say hey, hope things are going well. Hey Paul, yeah, things are pretty good so far. I've got 2 winning trades tonight so far, and we're in a 3rd trade here, hoping that this is going to play out. Hopefully this isn't the end of the push here, but it seems like with what's on the book map, it looks like we want to go higher here. We do have orders above, a bunch at 29,960 and a bunch up at 30,000 and 29,985 ish. So hoping that we're gonna continue the push here higher. We needed this bigger pullback here to build the momentum to break the highs if we're going to. So you need to make Angia a mod. How do I do that? I think she already is. You know, if I had some money to pay her from the stream, maybe one day, as we're continue growing the channel, I would love to pay a mod. But for now, still trying to make some money off the YouTube. So. Almost 3 minutes from the 15-minute closure. Oh yeah, thanks for the heads up. Oh yeah, that was the hourly candle. Okay, nice. At least we passed the hourly candle. Well, how's the 1 hour candle looking here? We need this thing to just rocket. I guess we need a song change here, guys. Hey, I think I was gonna put on the baby metal. Baby Shark. VWAP is king. Premium t-shirts. Yeah, guys, check it out. So I did make a website. Thanks for reminding me, Angia. So I did make a website here, guys. This is the Market Butcher collection. Market Butcher collection 001. VWAP is king t-shirts. I got some shirts. I got some hats, a sweater, hat, coffee cup here, and a giant mouse pad. It's like one of those desk pads. Link to my YouTube, Discord, Instagram, Twitter. I'm gonna build out this a little bit more. Gonna have a page sort of like promoting, you know, books that I've read and indicators that I use, stuff like that. But just got it started recently. So if you guys are looking for a gift for one of your trader buddies or something, yeah, I like the mouse pad too and the mug. I put an order in for one of everything, so I'm gonna have that hopefully in the not too distant future. It's gonna show up. Let me just double check on that. It should be shipped by now.
And today, I accidentally bought the top. Again.
Miss K and Angia, y'all be everywhere. Yeah, they are.
My setup looked pretty swell. Then I bought a giant boner candle and immediately rode it straight to hell. Mustang drew me 20 levels. Market Butcher said, "Don't chase." 5 seconds later, I ignored them and got repeatedly punched in the face. I'm an honest trader, a professional account derailer. I see a breakout candle.
Where is my orders? Where is my orders? Orders, there we go.
My risk management is failure.
My order's in pre-production. So as soon as it gets here, I'll definitely be wearing it on stream, you know.
Yo, Jim Blab says NQ.
What part of Canada I'm from? I'm in Vancouver, British Columbia area. I'm about 1 hour outside of Vancouver, British Columbia, in a little town called Mission, British Columbia.
Hit the like button. Randy says, wait for VWAP. I say, nah, this thing's mooning. Then
Don't pull back here. Come on, NQ. Don't be dirty.
value area low. Everybody knows where price should go. Except me.
Brick, you're older than you sound. No offense. Whatever happened to your bull logo? That would be cool on the front of the hoodie. Yeah, I could always do that too. I do have some ideas. Klee gave us a good idea about the broken trend lines. That would be a good shirt. So I'm gonna release some more stuff. I just don't want to flood too much out. So got to set up Mustang for his iguana and howler monkey swag. Yeah, he's got a store also, but he just wasn't able to connect it to YouTube yet. So he has also he's gonna do trade like an adult stuff. So I haven't visited Japan yet. I wish I could though. I will one day for sure. I would love to.
Already regretting this. Boner candle straight to heaven, then it dumps like a
Savage is balder than I thought.
The duck race starts, the chat goes nuts. Gary's duck is flying fast.
Time to sit back down.
Savage princess starts laughing. Poor guy's duck is dead.
So I can watch his trade get stopped out.
18 seconds left to go. The stop losses all ignite. Some random duck.
I'm a quarter, but have a vocab of a 6-year-old. What? I love it in Japan. I'm targeting sort of the 980s, which is sort of close to these the highs of the New York session. I'll reassess though once we get up to the 960s here. If we get up to the 960s, I might end up closing this. We'll see how it reacts. in that level. But I'm hoping that this was a pullback we needed before we're gonna break these highs. That's why I have this little box here, is just to show that we wicked up there. We wicked up there in the Asia session, and then now recently we wicked up there again. So this is actually where I took my short. I took the short down to here, and then I entered into this long, trying to target higher here. So maybe I should lock in a little bit more profit, but I kind of want to see if this thing is gonna run up at least up to the 60s area here. Let's go NQ. Butcher, I'm not sure how difficult it is, but maybe you could allow people to type what they want on the merch. Yeah, so there is a way to do custom. I did see an option for like making it custom. So it is something I could look into doing, and then you could like customize your own shirt, like have your own, you know, add your own stuff to it. Hey bro, want to know a crazy thing that NQ did, and it might repeat it right now? Something crazy I caught. What's that, ICC Trends? Hopefully it's to the bullish side that you're gonna tell me. Yeah, you'd like to put FNT on it? Yeah, I'll look into that. I'll see if we can set it up like that. Looks like I missed a message on the I'm curious, is NQ will bounce off 29,965 again, or will it break it? Yeah, that's what I'm curious about also, Sean. I'm hoping that it doesn't. I want it to go higher. I kind of would like to see it get up to sort of the 980s, to these the New York session high area. I would be front running it. I'd probably actually take profit at below the 80s, so like 979 would be nice area to take profits. But Cleese short at 938, stop at 950. It's going back down. I hope not, Clee. I hope not. We have lost a little bit of momentum here. You could be right. So what you're saying is I should probably lock in a little bit more profit. Let's go break even plus 5. Don't be a dick for a tick. Yeah, Lone Wolf passed his 25K, which is a beautiful thing. Yeah, is it a Lucid account, Lone Wolf? You're long 2 NQs at 916 across 5 Lucids. My TP is 960. We have a very similar trade going. My entry was 920. And I'm looking for... Yeah, I mean, I'll assess it at 960. It's a pretty reasonable target. And we did find resistance there before, so it kind of depends on how this ends up working out here. But getting a pullback here, maybe Cleese onto something here. What if we put a high a day anchored view up here? What does that say? Oh, that's way down there. Never mind. What about this guy here? Recent high. Ooh. I don't like it. Okay, guys, I'm getting stopped out here. I'm out of that trade. Sorry, guys. Small green. Just going to make sure it's all out of here. Cancel open trades. Double check here. Make sure that everything's flat. Yes, it is. All right, well. Nice job, Clee. Clee, you jinxed me. No, she just knows what she's doing here. What silly girl called this? She's a wizard. Yeah. Clee. Clee, what's your TP? The chat's asking. I just don't overcomplicate the charts. It works for me, but not everybody. Yeah. It could be the bullish side still, but if you want to check around Wednesday, 5:30 p.m., we swept the low, had two fair value gaps, just like we did here. Swept the low almost about a point and then pushed up. Very good. Green is green. I'm getting some air. You have a good night. K, Rizzy, Regis, have a good one. I don't know, guys. I'm not really convinced that this bullish move is over yet. I mean, Clee's definitely making money right now, but you're looking at 919 or lower. Yeah, it does. Yeah. So you said Wednesday, the 8th.
slippery, gold heavy, that gas crazy, keep it steady.
5:30 p.m. Pacific time.
Watch retail, wave goodbye.
So 1700. This guy right here is what you're talking about. The pullback, previous day low, and then we went higher. We did have this bullish fair value gap and this one, so that's the two gaps I think you're talking about. Pulled back, swept the lows, and then went higher. Yeah, I don't really base my trades like that, but I mean, I think you could be onto something for sure. I'm much too shy for that zero profits. Yeah, you should come on stream sometime, Clee. Love to have you. And I'm sure it would bump up the viewers nicely. How we doing on the likes today, guys? We gotta get this these likes going here so we can get that form going. We're at 84 so far. Once we get to 100, we'll get that duck race form going. I'll start building it out now. Name, email, YouTube name. Country. Oh, I gotta get these glasses off there. It's way too bright. 919 hit, pulling some off, looking for 906. Nice, nice. Good job, Clee. Good job. Stairs up, elevator down, guys. Stairs up, elevator down. Should have left my stop in there at where it was, but should have left my stop where it was, I think. I'm not really convinced that we're done here, guys, but we'll see. It's the bottom of that 15-minute fair value gap, 916 there. How we doing on the likes? Are we at 100 yet? I think we only needed about 16. We only need about 13 more likes, and then I'll get that form going. If you guys are new to the channel, there's a pinned comment there in the chat. Click that link. It'll take you to the Discord. Once you're in the Discord, head over to the giveaway channel. Pop into the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment in the top of the giveaway channel with a form to fill out. And once you fill out that form, you'll be entered into all of the Sunday giveaways for the rest of the month. We do one 25K Lucid Flex account every Sunday evening for the rest of the month. We always reset that form once a month. So when you head over there, fill that out. And then once we hit 100 likes in the stream here, I'm going to post a different form, a second form in the chat. You guys can fill that out. And if you win the duck race tonight, we'll be doing about 3 duck races. You'll have a second entry into the Sunday giveaway. So doubles your chances of winning, doubles your odds of winning. So yeah, once we hit 100 likes, I'll post that form in the chat here. But in the meantime, head over to the Discord, join the Discord, scroll over, get into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top, fill out the form in the giveaway channel. And yeah, then you'll be entered into the Sunday giveaway. Matthew Lai, hey, how you doing? Good evening. An Amish trader hopping on the charts, watching NASDAQ. Nice. You're an Amish trader? You caught the short? Nice. You like how I trade, bro? I've been watching you for some time. You're very good at this. Hey, thank you. Thank you. That trade, I probably should have just taken profits at that level there once we started showing this bearish hammer candle. Could have been a good idea to take the trade off there. Looking at the 3-minute too, we had this 3-minute bearish fair value gap. Actually, we tapped into, but I was watching the 5. So, you know, I was looking for a little bit of a move higher. We might still get it. So, have a fabulous night, everyone. I have an early morning and should probably get some sleep. Klee, you have a great night. Good to see you. Thanks for hanging out. Nice call outs there on those trades. Good job. Do we only need to fill form once? So the form in the Discord, you only need to fill that one out once a month. But the form that I'm going to post in the chat, that happens every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday, or Tuesday and Thursday nights for the extra entries into the duck race. So there's going to be 2 forms. One is on the Discord. You only have to fill that out at the start of every month. And then the one that's in the Discord, or the one that's in the chat that I'm going to post here once we hit 100 likes, you have to fill that one out, you know, on the stream live sort of idea.
King.
Let's save the funky. Put on a little bass hits here.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Flag pattern forming, kind of look.
Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday, yeah.
Trying to catch a move, but I'm staying patient. Chat talking while saying the financial statements. Yeah, Mr. Entry by tick pain. Almost got filled again. Said to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ swinging stops in a rip split. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size gang and we stay lit. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits. Just stacking up these base hits.
Cleese shorts playing out real nice here. This could actually be the next trade, actually, guys. But how long? What is this 15-minute chart here? We got 9:34. How long is that? We got 10 minutes on this 15-minute fair value gap. Still. I'm gonna let this price shake out a bit here. We do have this channel here, so we might end up heading back down to these lows in the channel. Now that we've broken into it, let's see if we can get below the POC, which is previous day's point of control, or from the New York session. 31-point stop, sort of like this guy right there, 48 TP. I mean, this is the kind of move that we need actually to get our push higher if we're going to. So we doing the same thing from yesterday. We edged the highs while being above 2 15-minute gaps. Yeah, it kind of looks like it, eh? Kind of looks like it. Angie's got to schedule the showers so that we know when we got to go short.
Yeah. Okay. We barely got sleep and keep moving wild with the volume low key. Oil going up with the NASDAQ too. One of your line, I don't trust you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Flag pattern forming, kind of.
I'm telling you, same shit as yesterday. Yeah, you could be right. You could be right.
Almost got filled again. Said to stop, bring it up, break even. Market take this, market teasing. I'm just stacking little bases. 36 bucks, don't waste it. NQ swinging stops in a rip split. You blink once when you miss it. We don't chase sides when we pull back. Paper hands cry, I want that back. Small size.
So you think we're gonna head down and sweep these lows here, these 890 area, before we make the move higher? Seems like a good time for the violin music. So dramatic. You have Static, Angia? Working on some evals? Static is the prop firm you guys are talking about? So did you say something about the POC earlier, have an indicator on TradingView that you can set 2 different timeframes for it? Nice. Yeah, I set my POC from the previous day's price action. So from pre-market until the market closes, and then I set my PLC on that on the 30-minute time frame. Because it's set, you know, once you do that, it's set for the previous day. Now today's price action is like still forming the value areas, right? So it's hard to know. It looks like value areas above right now on the developing point of control, but Phidias is the account or the prop firm. Interesting. They're always trying new stuff, hey? Phidias, My Funded Futures, Elite Trader Funded. I gotta apply for some more affiliate codes. Seems like the buyer's volume slowed down. Could be a sweep, something, get more fuel to push really volume. I'm trying to learn good right now. Yeah, good job. I have no time to look into the information of the rules this week. I'll take a look next week. I'm going to take a break from the market next week. Yeah, you had such a killer couple days, Angia. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. What's going on, Master Traders? Force Fed, ZL1 in the house. How you doing, buddy? Good to see ya. You're tired of the cray market? Nice, Angia. After a deep red month, come back stronger. Nice. Will it be long? I mean, there's a good chance we're going to be looking long. This is a 15-minute bullish fair value gap that we're still in. So we got 4.5 minutes left on this candle. We'll see how this ends up closing. I mean, it's hard for me to be bearish still, guys. We're above the point of control. We're above the VWAP. We're above the most of the one of the EMAs, anyways. And we have orders on the book map up at 30,000. So that's kind of why I've been leading bullish. Not financial advice, but you know, kind of building out a sort of a flag here. But the problem is maybe this is actually, was it like that? Or this maybe? The only bad thing about drawing trend lines and stuff is they're discretionary, right? So hard to say. Hopefully this thing flips green here. There's always more setups. I'm up nicely for the week, so cruising on easy street. Yeah, no pressure, right? No need to try to force anything. 3 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. We need to stay above this 916 area, or I would be thinking that the bears are gonna be the winners for a while anyways. Yeah. FN Trades Force Fed had a good week too. FN Trades had a good day today too. I think that's who posted in the chat at the very start, right? I think with the 10 accounts winner. Yeah, FN Trades had a beautiful trade earlier today. Yeah, he copy traded 10 accounts, 300 in all 10 accounts. So it's a beautiful, beautiful day. $3,000. Is this order flow? FX Entrix? On the left, this is a book map, which shows where the orders are. So, I mean, yes, it is kind of order flow. We can see where the big buyers and sellers are and whatnot. So 1 minute left on this candle here, guys. We need to stay above 916 or I'm starting to lean. I'm going to have to start to lean more bearish here. How we doing on the likes? I might be able to get that form going here. Did we hit 100? Did we hit 100? We're at 91. We only need 8 more likes and I'll get that form going. I have the form ready to go. I just need to post it in the chat. Waiting for that 9 more likes on the stream. And we will get the duck race going. So guys, if you are new to the channel, make sure you head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord for the entry for the Sunday Lucid Flex 25K Flex eval giveaway. Tonight, I'm going to be posting in the chat I'm going to be posting it in the chat, a form. Oh, we did close below it here, guys. We did close below it. So just be careful here. We might end up turning bearish on this, guys. Now we did invert that fair value gap. At first I got break even. Now also I am entering for the long. What do you think? This is probably not the best time to enter on the long, to be honest. Like I said here, we're watching this 15-minute bullish fair value gap, which we just inverted. So seems like the bears are taking control right now. So I wouldn't recommend being in a long. We're gonna have to wait for a sort of a reaction. Now, if we get down to the VWAP and we start getting back above the point of control, maybe the longs will still be in play. But seems like we might go test the bottom of the channel here. So I'm not in a trade. I'm flat. I was looking at this as a potential long area, but I was waiting for this 15-minute candle to close. And like I said, we closed below the bullish fair value gap. So hey, Jonathan, thank you. Force fed with sunglasses. Cool. Butcher, what do you plan to do with your profits? I'll probably just roll it back into accounts. Force fed. There you go, Johnny. What happened there? Did I miss something? Oh, Force Fed said Jonathan in the house and no super chats. LOL. What the? Don't shame him like that or something. This guy is like the most generous guy of all. He's like constantly throwing up the super chats. But thank you for that, Jonathan. Mr. Stonks in the house. Thank you for that. Thank you. So how low can we go? I would be looking at one target as being potentially the VWAP. We do have the 900s below. We have a bunch of contracts there. We have some down here at 870 area. and some down at 800. 800, hey? Wow. $800 contracts way down here. Holy. I mean, I guess so. Could possibly get there. But I would be watching the view up, and then I would be watching this the bottom of the channel here for support. So I expect my cut, Dave. Let me send you that one. I'll send you $1. No, but thanks, Jonathan. Helping keeping the dream alive. You know, it takes a lot of time and effort to run the stream, so I do really appreciate the support. Thank you so much for that. Geez, I'm old. I was trading futures in September 2008. That was a wild month. Oh, wow. Really? Damn. That would have been an interesting time to trade for sure. Well, guys, I'm getting really hungry here. I haven't had my dinner yet, so I'm just going to run downstairs, grab a bowl of pasta and warm it up, and I'll be right back. So hang out. Don't do anything crazy while I'm gone. If you're in a short, hopefully this thing goes lower for you. And if you're in a long, hopefully you don't get burned. What is the purpose of using Bookmap? How to utilize it efficiently? Well, it really so how I use it is I decide what my trade is going to be by the price action on the chart and what's happening with the market structure, view op, value areas, previous days value areas. So I come up with a trade strategy, and if I have orders above like we do here at 30,000 and say I'm bullish bias, then it just gives me another confluence into the direction of the trade, right? Keeping in mind that often when we have a bunch of orders like that, maybe we're going to get up to them. We don't take them right away usually, and we get like a pullback off of it before price actually goes through and takes those contracts. So it's kind of like one of those things where you got to spend time watching the book map. You kind of like learn some like intuition on how price is going to react in regards to the orders on the chart. But it's really good to know, like, for example, that's why I'm thinking we're pretty bearish right now. We inverted that 15-minute bullish fair value gap. So we're probably going to be heading lower. And then if you look up here, there's not a whole lot on the book map. Like, it's dark above. So typically when it's dark above and we have more contracts below, we're probably going to go to those contracts. Not a guarantee, but it's just something you can learn about. So while Butcher gets back, let's run up the likes and get the giveaway ready. Yeah, let's see how we're doing, because we only needed 8 more. If we hit 100, I'll just get that form posted here in the chat. 99. We just need one more like, guys. One more. Somebody here has got it. You can do it. 99. Wayne Gretzky in the house. Boom, we got it. Okay, I'm going to post that form while I head to grab my food. Let me just get the link here. Copy. But like I said, guys, head to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord separately from the one I'm posting in the chat here. So you got to fill out 2 forms. This one is if you win from tonight's duck race, you'll get an extra duck into the Sunday race. And that's when we give away the account. I only have about 4 accounts per month to give away right now. So we do one every Sunday. So make sure you get that. Make sure you fill out the form on the Discord and the form in the chat here. The form in the chat is going to be for, I just posted it right there. It's going to be for an extra duck race, or an extra duck into the Sunday race. There you go. It's pinned comment there. Fill out the form while I'm gone. And yeah, let's do it. Cheers. Say hi to Ralph, guys. Hi, everybody. Ralph in the house. Curse you, Clee. Clee sent the market down, guys. Say hi to Ralph. Everybody, Ralph's in the house. All the way down to the bottom of the channel. Tony Gold, let's go. London session in a few hours. Yes. What did I miss? Clee, is that Dave's? No, but Clee turned the market on us there, guys. I don't know, guys. I don't know about how long this could work out here, but I would be careful. That's pretty strong bearish move here. And you know, if you're like me, I like to only take longs above the VWAP and above previous day's point of control. This could end up holding here on the 15-minute. We have this bullish 15-minute fair value gap. But that being said, you know, with that type of a move, pretty bearish. You didn't know she had that power? Me neither. She like literally called this a short right here. So too late, you're already stopped out? Damn. If you're gonna do it, make sure you keep it tight. Yeah, she has some pretty good calls for sure. Your profits are evaporating? Damn, bro. Well, get out of the trade, maybe? That's why I ended up putting my stop in profit there. Just, I don't like to let trades turn into a negative trade if I'm in a winning trade. So we'll run that form until quarter after here, and then we'll start the duck races. So we got about 12 more minutes for you guys to fill out the form. Yeah, you got to be careful here, because we do have orders down at 800, although they look like a lot of algorithm orders below, and I think the ones at 30,000 were real orders. So there's 154 contracts that are not algorithm controlled, but those might end up staying there all the way till New York or until London, so hard to say. We just created a bearish hourly gap. Oh yeah, wow. What about the 4 hour? What's the 4 hour looking like? We still have 1 hour left on this. $854 area for support, which is kind of like where we bounced, eh? No, that was from the previous. That was from earlier's low. Weekly VWAP. I don't really keep track of those long-term VWAPs. I might take a trade in an eval here, you know? I think I'm gonna attempt, don't follow this trade, but I'm gonna attempt a 3 micro long here. Stop below the 850s here. So it's about a 30 point ish stop. But I wouldn't really recommend trading this. I'm taking this in an eval, so it's kind of a little bit less risk on the table. I do have this is my top one futures 100k eval. I'm up 4,672 in this guy. Entered long there at 875 with a stop down at 846. You never know. It is in the bottom of that channel, so I'm hoping that we're going to kind of get some support here and bounce higher. 3 micros. I'll probably think about taking some contracts off at 92 area at the VWAP if we get back up there. Now, if we start looking more bearish, I might just close this trade early as an option. No, I didn't say YOLO the account. YOLO so you don't FOMO? From the bottom to 39 or 30,080. Where's our midnight open price here? Where's the 2100 candle? This guy right there. Right in that for 932. Can we ask Clee to call out for a long? I think she went to bed, bro. So probably not going to get any help from Clee tonight. Definitely micros, Musashi. Like, I would stay under 3 micros. If you start building up a really nice buffer in there, like if you get, depending on if it's a funded, once you get a nice amount of buffer in there, then you can think about scaling up to like 5 micros or something. But I wouldn't go too heavy, because it's pretty easy. Like, all you need is one news candle or something that could really damage those accounts, right? 2,000 goes away real fast. Now, if you get like 5,000 in profit in that account, then you could think about sort of sizing up to like 5-10 micros per trade, because you have the buffer to deal with it. But yeah, usually you want to get at least past the 2K buffer point. But even then, you probably want to have a little bit more before you really size it up, right? With the way that the price moves lately, like, you really don't need more than 3 micros. Like, if you look at, even if you caught this short, for example, what is it? You're up 72 points. So that's 140 times 3, which is, almost $500, right? 440, 450 or something. So you can easily make nice money even on 3 micros, right? And you have less risk of like blowing your account. You just brought that funded back from negative 1.5 to even on that shorts. Nice job, bro. Nice job. Yeah, so keep the size down. Maybe raise your size a little bit if you think it's like your A+ trade, like your best trades that you're interested in. But just be careful, right? So got 5 more minutes here on that form, guys. Make sure you fill it out if you haven't. So you can, if you win tonight, you'll get an extra duck in the Sunday giveaway. So Musashi, on evals, I usually size up a little bit more early on, but as I get closer to passing it, I usually size down, because you don't want to like get into a big losing trade towards the end of the eval just to like, not pass it. You know what I mean? So that's just how I do it. Like if it's a 50K eval, maybe I'll get into 4 or 5 micros, right? Which is, again, a ton. You don't need much more than that, especially if you're trading the New York session. But then, when you get closer to it, maybe scale it down to 2 or 3 micros again, just to be conservative. Take those base hits and slowly grind it to pass it, right? Yeah, I mean, it's up to you, right? If you got the money to risk, losing those evals, then you can trade minis, right? But if you want to try to like rush through it, it's just with minis, there's really not a lot of play in NQ. Like if you're in a trade to, not a lot of play not a lot of give in the space when you start trading minis, right? It's pretty easy to be a little early and the price goes against you by 30, 40 points, right? So it's either going to hit your stop, you're going to lose money, pretty big money like that, or it's, you know what I mean? You could easily blow accounts if you don't put a stop in there. Yeah, Luabi. It's really the biggest problem for everybody. So if you just keep your micros down to 1 to 2, you're going to survive way longer. And you can still make lots of money, right? Like, especially New York session or like in London session, like Asia has some pretty good moves too. It's takes a little longer to get those bigger winning trades, but like, it just reduces your downside, right? when you size it up too much, you're going to hit your max daily loss. You're going to blow accounts, things like that. It's really not worth it, right? And if you stay with like 1, 2, 3 micros, you can give more room in your stop loss. So if you're wrong a little bit on your entry timing or where your entry should be, you can get away with it still because you have room in the stop loss. If you go in with a mini, you're going to have a tighter stop loss. You're probably going to get hit before it's going to go to your profit target, right? So, and that's just how it works, right? Sizing is probably one of the most important things, you know, risk management, sizing, and, you know, not over trading. If I were to say 3 of the top things to do. So you hate that you tried to force $160 to make consistency and blew the account. Yeah, dude, again, so what, you had to make $160 just to like meet the consistency rule? Yeah, definitely don't put that much pressure on it, right? You were 160 away. Oh, from a payout. Yeah. Again, like, you got to try to forget the fact that you're that close to the payout. You know what I mean? You got to think like, oh, I still need 500 to get that payout. And then, you know, take a good trade and don't be afraid to take profits, right? On trading and human, size does matter. And yeah, I don't know what you're trying to imply there, but I'll have to agree with you. Don't let your dad hear about that comment. He might be a little upset. Send it with 5 minis, max out credit cards and debt. Just kidding. This is a slow gain game. Stop watching IG posts. Yeah, don't let other traders affect your trade. Like, just because they're making 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 in a trade, you can't let that happen. Once you build up a buffer on 2 to 3 micros, you know, like you get 3 or 4 grand into an account, then you can start thinking about sizing up a bit. And you got to think about it as like scaling it up, right? So I think I'm going to take off a micro here, guys, on those 3 micros. It's up pretty nicely, 120 bucks. We're right at the view up here. That's why I'm taking one off. Hopefully we're going to get tapped out here. Trying to take one off, but it seems like it's pulling back already on me. Let's take one off. I just took it off anyways. I'll put another one here sort of at the top. Sell one here in case we get a little pop, and then we'll go break even on the remainder. So we got 2 contracts there. I'm actually just going to take one more off here. I don't like how we're pulling back from the view up. I don't want to end up having this trade turn into a loser. So now I'm going to just put one contract here with the stop sort of break even, slightly in the money. Just not loving how the price is pulling back there. Doesn't mean that the bullish move is over, but just this is typically how I like to take my trades. A relief waking up to see Asia in range still, so there's some hope for London. Yeah, London might be good. Hey, Azar. I took profits when I went to take the payout. It said you need 116.71. I had 15.50. The pro accounts from Lucid are a good option since you can get payouts every 3 days. Yeah, totally. Once you get over that buffer, you can take you just got to get $500 over the buffer, and then you can take a payout, right? Facile Crypto in the house. I thought I made a payout and it frustrated me. So, and then this is a big part of the problem too, guys. When you get that close to a payout, you kind of like almost can talk yourself into taking a trade that maybe isn't the best trade to take, because you're like, oh, I only need like 150 bucks, right? It's pretty easy to get that. If I just take the long here, we're gonna break out, I'll be able to get, you know, 80 bucks from this trade and then one more trade after that. So when you get close to a payout, really you gotta like try to talk yourself out of trades until you find the one where you really can't convince yourself to not take it. But the point is, as long as you are capable of making babies, size doesn't matter. Like trading, as long as you can get a payout, size doesn't matter. Just take a little bit more time to set up. Damn, you traded it to the ground. Sorry to hear that, Red. I mean, we've all done it before, so. Who needs late night Cinemax when you have Angia? Hey. Wow, hey, look at that. Musashi, thank you for advice. Just a small tip. Sorry, the yen is weak. No worries. I appreciate the support. Everything helps. So thank you so much for that. Appreciate the support on the channel. Why did it bounce up? I'm new here and I don't understand some of the moves. A bounce seemed out of nowhere. Well, from what I see, this is a channel that we've been trading in, these two lines here. I took the long off of the bottom of the channel in my eval account. So that's kind of what I was seeing there. Pull back to the bottom of the channel. We might end up playing around and heading back to the top of the channel. Typically these channels that are like angled on a downward momentum, they're bullish. So more often than not, they're going to break to the top side. Not every time, and it's not a guarantee, but quite often we're going to play around in these channels like this and break out. Although we did get below it, right? It doesn't necessarily mean that the channel is dead, because look at, if you look at it, we bounced back up, tapped it there, we've tapped it there again, and then now we tapped a little bit below it. So it's not a guarantee that we're going to go higher, but that was the idea behind the trade that I just took. We rejected on the view up, so I decided to take profits there. And I got stopped out of that last micro, guys. FYI. Just now. And then it bounced. Look at that, guys. It went to my stop there at 76 and then bounced straight up to 86, 10 points there. But hey, I'm all right. I'm up 135 in this eval account. I only need a little over 1,200 or so to pass this eval. So these are 100K. Once you get to 106K, you can pass that guy. Okay, Angie, have a great night. Wait. Oh, you gotta wait. Oh, you wait for 5 minutes? For sure. Oh, yeah. Shoot, it's time to do that, isn't it? Okay, I'm gonna shut down the form here, guys. When did she do that? 20 after? We'll do the race in about 4 minutes here, but I did shut down the form there, guys. So, yeah. I'll get the race ready. We'll do it at 5 after. Where is the form now? Here it is. So we got 27 entries in there. Okay, Siwa, have a good one. Did you not enter in the duck race? We're about to do it here pretty quick. Chris is here. He's just working. Casey, well, have a good night. Pasta with meat sauce, guys. Bro, 2,000 yen is like almost 20 bucks. Are you serious? That's quite the tip. Thank you for that. I appreciate that so much, man. That's awesome. That was actually one of the more large tips I've ever got. Musashi, thank you so much. You saw a bearish 1 hour fair value gap and a bullish 4 hours at the bottom. We got a bullish one down here. We have some inverted bearish fair value gaps. There is a bearish 4 hour, but that's been inverted. Has it been? And it's been re-inverted, so that one's gone. So, do you think it'll sweep the lows before pushing back to a new daily high? Well, we have this diamond pattern, as you can see here. This is a 4 hour chart that I've been watching for quite a while now. I think Randall is the one that I think Randall pointed this one out. So we are looking like we're probably going to head up here to above the 30,000s at some point, but we might, it's hard to say, right? I can't really say. I don't really like to predict that far ahead. We're just not in a super bullish mood today. So if we were just climbing, I would say maybe. But I mean, long term, or like fairly long term, we're pretty bullish here. So this is just a flag pattern. We might end up breaking out to go higher here on this chart. So I do tend to want to lean more bullish at the moment, but yeah. Good, Angie is back. Let's do the duck race, guys. We're ready to go. And it's 25 after. All right, good luck, guys. So like I said, this duck race is for an extra duck into the Sunday giveaway. So you're not winning an account tonight, just so there's no confusion. But if you are here on Sunday and you filled out the form on the Discord, plus if you win the race tonight. So remember, it's two forms. There's one in the chat right now for tonight's race, which we're doing right now. You guys already filled that out. But make sure you head over to the Discord. I'm going to pin that comment actually before we start the race. So there you go. I did pin the Discord link in the chat there. So you guys got to make sure you head over there if you haven't already. Head over to the Discord, join the Discord, and then go to the giveaway channel. Scroll to the top. There's a pinned comment there. That's where you'll get the entry for the Sunday giveaway. Tonight, if you win tonight, you're going to have a second duck for the Sunday giveaway. So that's what tonight's race is for. If you need to fill out the form in the chat, yes, tonight. If you're going to try to get an extra duck for the Sunday races. So there's two forms, right? We put a new form on every Tuesday and Thursday night for an extra duck race entry. But the one on Discord, you only have to fill it out once per month. So it looks like you missed this form. Hey, Wilson, you didn't fill out the form here? I don't see your name on this one. Why are you always a regular duck? Alex, tonight this giveaway is for, so every Sunday I give away a 25K flex eval. So I only have 4 per month, so I give it away on Sunday. But on Tuesday and Thursday, we run a duck race to give 3 winners. If you win tonight, you'll have a second duck on the entry for the Sunday giveaway. But if you want to take part in the Sunday giveaway and make sure you have 2 ducks, you got to head to the Discord and fill out that form. There's 2 forms, one in Discord, one in the chat. The one in the chat is for tonight, and the one in the Discord is for the Sunday giveaway. I already got your name in there. Did you fill out this form, Alex? Already? Let's see. I don't see your name on here, Alex. Do you want in on this race too, or are you not worried about trying to win? Why does the other stream trader have your exact background? Are you talking about Mustang Trader? You just tuned in for the first time? Yeah, that's fair. I can add you. It's all good. Live trading with Carol? Let me see. That's not true, bro. It's totally different. What are you talking about, man? You're trolling us. You're trolling there. I just got trolled, guys. If I win a free count, I will give back. Dave purchased new account with your code. Oh, thanks. Thank you. It's similar, is it? You think so, Jonathan? Am I looking at the wrong one? Because I've live trading with Carl. I like the new gullible sign you put up in the background. Next to the TV. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys. Let me see. I was going to add... Oh, he has a fireplace on the TV? Really? Alex Low 6511. Anybody else miss a giveaway before I get this going? I was like, what? Where did I put it on there? Beza, you missed the giveaway too. Okay, it'll be my last one though. BE ZA115. Red. All right, guys. Good luck here. Let's get the duck race music going here. Where is it? I think it's called this one right here. Yeah. Okay, good luck. Let's shuffle this around. Get some irregular ducks happening. Where did the guy with the blue hat go? I want to get another one of those. I think there's a Trump duck and a policeman and a spaceship guy, a pirate. Okay, this one looks pretty good. We got a Canadian duck there with a toque. Hey Dave, what? Oh, you're welcome. Okay, good luck, guys. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Sorry, Force Fed's got to go to bed. What were you in there twice or what? Oh, I didn't see that part. Stop losses hit there. Who's gonna come from the back here? Lady C! Looks like Lady C's gonna take it here. I see the rocket boosters on here. Lady C in the house. Whoa, look at that. Good job, Lady C. Lady C, are you still here? I think you are. I gotta add your name to the extra duck race. That's what happens when you get out there and you do good things for your community. You get rewarded. Okay, one quick sec here. Let's edit this list here. Oh yeah, I do see reds. There we go. Yeah, she's here. Congrats, Lady C. So make sure you're here on Sunday in case you're going to win that giveaway. Win that account. Let's shorten the race a little bit here. We'll go to 45 seconds. One more shuffle. That looks pretty good. No, I want to see some more weird ducks. There we go. Here we go. This one looks good. There we go. Good luck, everybody. Was there a different list to join tonight's race? Yes, best DJ in town. So there's always two forums on the weekend or on the weekdays. One is for this race, and then the Sunday race is only on the Discord. So you got to enter that once a month. And it stays active for the whole month on the Discord. But then every Tuesday and Thursday night, we're doing these races. We give away 3 extra duck entries into the Sunday giveaway. So you got to fill out the form live on the stream Tuesday and Thursday nights. Facile Crypto! Looks like you got it, bud. Is that not the same duck that Lady C had? Is that not the same duck that Lady C just won with? Fasil, I'm assuming you're still here. There you go. There you go. Congrats, Fasil. So I added you there. I removed the winner from the race. Okay, let's shuffle these guys around. One more winner, guys. Too many regular ducks in that one. Here we go. This one looks good. Look at all those weird heads. There's about 5 regular ducks there. Not too bad. So, all right, guys. Good luck. Last one. Last one here. Talon King Coons. How you doing? Seems like a new name. Puran there. Puran's been having super luck lately, guys. You got a mohawk, Red? Who's gonna come from the back here? Right there. Who is this? Force Fed. Force Fed's gonna get a W, guys. Look at that. Woo! Force Fed, congrats. Staying up tonight was worth it, bud. Oh, right now is when you... Oh, sorry, Ryan. Let's do one more, guys. Ryan Entourage. Okay, last one, guys, here. Let's go. Too many regular ducks. There we go. This one looks good. Good luck. Good luck. Here we go. Don't test your duck for steroids. I know he was totally on steroids tonight. We got best DJ in town here. Up in the front. Miss K and the Batman duck. Chris. 0 skills. 0 profit. Ryan Entourage there. B Flu. Drew 69 Malibu, Vanch in the house. I am pink. Yeah, you're a pink duck. Who's coming from the back here? Who's that? Who is it? Talon. Talon? Talon King Coons. Big W there. I don't think I've recognized this name. Never seen you before. Talon King Coons. These races are going rather smooth tonight. No absentees. Yeah, well, it's different when I have the form fill out, right? The Sunday ones take a little longer because we usually end up getting, like 100 people or more, and then half the people aren't there for the Sunday, right? So, Talon, are you still here? Usually not up this late? Congrats. So, Talon, make sure you head over to the Discord and fill out the form on the Discord. It's the pinned comment there. So if you haven't already, head over to the Discord, go into the giveaway channel, scroll to the top of there, to the top of the giveaway channel. There's a pinned comment with another form. Fill that one out, and then you'll have a Sunday duck entry. This will get you another Sunday duck entry. So then that means you're going to have 2 ducks in the Sunday race to win the 25K eval. So Make sure you get over there, get in there. I'm gonna add your name anyway, so you have at least one duck in there. You did? Okay, perfect. There you go. So now you have 2 ducks in the next Sunday giveaway. So the only thing is you gotta be here to claim it. And we're done there, guys. So where's Savage Princess? I haven't seen her for a couple days. Did we end up getting below the channel, guys? A little bit, hey? Well, congrats to all the winners tonight. Good luck on the Sunday. Hopefully one of you guys gets a W. Spread the love, spread the love.
Market butcher. Mustang trader.
Hey, you're welcome.
Trade like an adult.
Do you pre-post videos so I can set an alarm on it? It's always the same time, so we start 7:30 p.m. Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. But Sunday night will be, we'll start at 10:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is the start time of the stream, and then we usually end up doing the stream a little bit later. So if you do head to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification and turn on all, it should give you a notification when I schedule the stream ahead of time. It's always a good way to be notified. Yeah, so Sunday, Tuesday, Thursday evenings, 10:30 p.m. we're start the streams, and the Sunday is when we do the giveaway. Chase move, don't FOMO this, wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm, cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage. You're welcome. Good luck. 25K flex eval on Sunday. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, get a roll, stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. MQ but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult. Hey, thank you. Hopefully I can be somewhat of a positive influence on any of the traders that come to the channel. That's what I'm here for, is to try to help you guys. I'm also still trying to grow as a trader myself. So I'm not trying to claim to be the best, but I am trying to be transparent and, show everything that's going on. So you guys can see my strategy play out as it goes, right? I'm flat right now, Mafia Bull, currently flat, but this isn't a bad area to potentially take along, but I won't be taking along. I would prefer us to be above the overnight VWAP, which is at 893. We got 900 there, and then the point of control. So really the safer long is up here once we get above the previous day's point of control. But that being said, this could end up climbing here. Typically these channels break out to the upside, but not a guarantee, right? So it isn't a horrible place to take along, but I would definitely I would keep the size small and get out of the trade relatively quickly if you start making new lows here. Not financial advice, if I were to just think about my own trade. But yeah, guys, we're gonna end the stream here. Thanks so much, everybody. I appreciate you guys hanging out. I gotta get to bed. Market open tomorrow morning. Comes early, so we'll just do our usual shout out here to the top fans. Musashi, thank you so much for that super chat. I really appreciate the support. That's up there with one of the largest tips I've ever got. So thanks so much. I appreciate that. Miss K, Angia, Wrong Trade Jim, Ryan Entourage, Jonathan Stonks. Also, thank you, Jonathan. Always putting out the tips, supporting the channel financially and with the comments and all the support. So I appreciate you so much. Also, thanks a lot. FN Trades, Brick 863, Chris, Reds Everyday Dog Training, Lady C, aka Lyric, or Lady Sika, as I used to call her. Cherish, CC Harris, Wilson is Gold, Mac Gouda, as I Fly, Zero Profit, Siwa, Yo Jim Fluff, Force Fed, Kyle Shees, B Devil, Clee Torres, Clee, Big Teflon, Raphael Cini, Puran, Skeletor, Metals Trader, Facil Crypto, Best DJ in Town, BL Trades, Alex Lowe, Rizzy Regis, Lone Wolf Blue, Jerry Trades Futures, Randall Paul, Sat, Matthew Lai, Rye Guy, that Fly Guy, the Topple Fiddle, Marty Trades, B Flu, Jay. I don't know if Jay was here. He missed my my dinner, but and Nat, Carteration, Avi, Sahil Biswash, Romeo, Tim Core, ICC Trends, and Trina Banana. Top 50 chats. Thanks, guys. I appreciate all the support. You know, love you guys. Thanks for hanging out every day when we're live. Congrats to the winners. Hopefully, one of you guys, or I mean, I know somebody's going to win the duck race on Sunday. So good luck to you then. Thanks, everybody. I appreciate you guys. Love you. See you on the next stream. We'll be live tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you want to come hang out for the Market Open, the New York session. So be there or be square or not.
Cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows, no stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG gap, get full real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take it stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go wild when the candle's long. Phone a candle! Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't
Zero Skills, thank you. Have a good night. Monica, thank you.
Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Space hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that high, that lows. No stress.
I like the kitty, Taylor.
Market butcher, Mustang trader, base hits only. Trade like an adult. Yeah, market butcher, Mustang trader, trade like an adult. Yeah. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Base hit stack, yeah, the growth stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQ wild, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows that highs, that lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Look, NQ moving mad, that whip's too fast. One fake break and it spins right back. Man said long at the highs, now fam, wait for the pullback. Stick to the plan, VWAP line, yeah, price respect. Tap that level, then we collect. FVG
gap get filled real quick, then it runs and we ride that shift. Mustang rolling, butcher on charts, cutting up trays like meat, no fast. Small size gang, we play it smart. One clean entry, that's where we start. Go too heavy, it drags and bends. Oil too slippery, slips through hands. Nat gas mad, yeah, that one pops. Blink one time, it will take it stops. Step highs, liquidity sits. Step lows, yeah, we target hits. Don't chase moves, don't FOMO this. Wait for confirmation, then we commit. Shot go out when the candle's long. Oh, the candle! Yeah, that's the song. Green on the screen, but we stay calm. Cause one wrong move and it's all gone. You want fast money? That's how you lose. Over leverage, yeah, pick your news. We ain't here for a one-day flex. We here long term, respect the steps. Trade like an adult, don't move reckless. Space hit stack, yeah, the roll stay endless. VWAP hold, we don't guess this. FVG fill them, we press it. NQR, but we stay composed. ES cleaner, yeah, everybody knows. Stack high, stack lows. No stress, risk management, that's success. Market butcher, Mustang trader. Base hits only. Trade like an adult.
See you guys. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Love you guys. Love you.
Yeah. Market butcher. Mustang trader.